Welcome back. We are halfway through the next adventure unpacking. Let's see what we get. Still no secret rare or alternative art cards. And I think one promo to go. We start with Tidal Wave, Monochromon, Philmon, Gigastorm, Icemon, Kumamon, Triceramon, Beetlemon, Pukamon, Doruguaemon, Evolution Ancient, I love the design of the card with the 10 ancient warriors in the background. But who the hell looked at this card, translated it as Evolution Ancient instead of Ancient Evolution, and said, yeah, let's print it this way. Like, who is responsible for this? Please hit me up so I can slap you. And then we have Flamemon. Icemon Scatter Mode, Thunder Laser, Dorugamon, Icemon, Saberleomon, Brachioumon, Kingramon, Gomamon, Pukamon, Doruguaemon, Systemon Blanc Awakened, and another Tommy. Katzemon, Dino Memory Boost, Gigastorm, Bulkmon. It's so distracting when you see something shining in the background, because I think that's like the next promo. Antylamon, Blue Hawaii Death, Saberleomon, Mugen, Koromon, Daipenmon, oh, another Ancient Sphinxmon. Oh, okay, no, it's Vergarurumon. Gotsumon, Levimon, Shellmon, Antylamon, Brave Metal, Flame Memory Boost, Schwarzlehrsatz, Kaiserle. Do they always come in pairs? Pusurimon, Stephilmon, Skull Knightmon, and Vikemon promo. I think that was the last promo. And I'm curious to see if I get the exact other 4 in the next display. Flame Memory Boost, Kendogarumon, Ultra Turbulence, Thunder Laser, Icemon Scatter, Gigasmon, Rockymon, Ancient Volcanomon, Sephiamon, Burning Greymon, Kota Domoto, and Ebon Wumon. And the last pack for this part. Filmon, Antylamon, Metal Kabuterimon, Grumblemon, Pokémon, Bautmon, Tortomon, Jetsilphimon, Starlight Velocity, Bright Memory Boost, Takuya, actually the first one, which almost surprises me, and Lopmon. Okay, see you in the next part.